If you're someone who types every day, whether for work, studies, or content creation, then you already know how important a good keyboard is. Today, I'm reviewing this wireless keyboard and sharing whether it's actually worth your money or not. So let's get started. First impressions matter, and honestly, this keyboard looks clean and premium. It has a slim and minimal design that fits perfectly on any desk setup. The build quality feels solid, and the keys don't feel cheap or loose, which is a big plus at this price range. Now coming to the most important part, the typing experience. The keys are well spaced and comfortable, making long typing sessions easy. Keystrokes feel smooth and responsive, and the sound is soft, not too loud, which is perfect for office work or late night typing. This keyboard connects wirelessly, and the connection is stable and lag-free. I didn't face any delay while typing, even during fast typing sessions. It pairs quickly and works smoothly with laptops, PCs, and even tablets. Battery life is another strong point. With normal usage, this keyboard can easily last weeks on a single charge or battery, which means less charging and more productivity. It supports multiple operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Android. Some useful shortcut keys make everyday tasks faster, like volume control, media playback, and switching apps. So quickly talking about pros, black check mark emoji, premium design. Black check mark emoji, comfortable typing. Black check mark emoji, reliable wireless connection. Black check mark emoji, long battery life. As for cons, if you're a hardcore gamer, this might not replace a mechanical gaming keyboard, but for work and daily use, it's excellent. Overall, this wireless keyboard is a great choice for students, professionals, and casual users who want a stylish and reliable keyboard. If you're looking for a clean desk setup and smooth typing experience, this one is definitely worth considering.